Now, Delhi is considered one of the most unsafe cities in India for women travelling alone. Now, a unique taxi service offers a safer option by allowing women to take charge at the wheel. Channel News Asia's Avneet Arora reports.
It's the first of its kind in Delhi. Taxis driven by women for women passengers only. The small fleet is operated by Sakha Consulting Wings and provides 24-hour transport services in and around Delhi. Demand has been especially good since the brutal gang rape of a medical student last year. And the service has put women in the driver's seat in more ways than one.
So we felt that if women become productive, earning members of the family, then there would not be this, bias against women in time. Of course, overnight it will not change. So that was one thing, to open the, to level the playing field for resource for women, to make, give them an opportunity in a thus far men's profession, and where they're earning at par with men. And they're doing a work which is not only earning but even empowerment wise, they're doing work which men normally do.
Women drivers at Sakha are selected from marginalized urban communities. Most have never been in a car before they are recruited, let alone drive one. All have to undergo rigorous training sessions. Besides learning to drive and navigate the roads, they are also taught first aid and self-defense. 21-year-old Khushi has been working with the fleet for the past 3 years, and she says the experience has changed her life.
लाइफ चेंज ये हुई है कि पहले मैं बहुत चुपचाप सहमी हुई और डरी हुई रहती थी, बट इस संस्था में आके तो मुझे डर नहीं लगता है और काफ़ी जानकारियाँ मिली हैं जो कि मैं पहले घर में रहती थी, अब मैं घर में नहीं रहती हूँ, बाहर काफ़ी जगह घूम फिर चुकी हूँ और थोड़ा टैलेंट आ गया है और मेन टैलेंट तो ये है ड्राइविंग का.
It's not easy being a woman and cab driver. Road rage is common in Delhi, and the very sight of a woman behind the wheel can spark gender-specific expletives.
गाड़ी चलाने में हल्की फुल्की कुछ गलतियां हो गई है, हमने सोचा दूसरों से सेफ डिस्टेंस बनाना है, तो उस टाइम पे पीछे से हॉर्न देते हैं और उनकी खूब वो खूब गालियां भी देते हैं. हाँ, लड़की है इसी मारे ये गाड़ी नहीं चला पा रही, और नहीं तो अब तक तो आगे पीछे होके निकल गए होते.
The world of taxis, as we know, is dominated by men in India, and yet this female taxi trend seems to be gaining momentum. While the money makers are looking at this concept as a business potential, for the women it is a vital sign of their empowerment. The idea though may not be enough to address the massive problem of sexual violence against women, but at least it's a step forward. Avneet Arora for Channel News Asia in New Delhi.